Here we are, we're stuck. We don't know how to get out.
Okay. Ouch. Watch your head, guys.
That always happens to you, man. I noticed that.
I think
you keep doing that. Yeah. Nano doing some splits. It's the only way you can get through this section is to do some splits and crawls and...
I think I tore my shorts on my pants.
You tore it?
I think. I hope not though.
Is that live?
What's up, guys? So we started the trek earlier around 5:30. It's now 5:41. We'll see where it goes.
Hiking in this country is very welcoming. We almost have a year-round of stable temperature. It gets you into your element. Just the silence. Everything is so quiet, serene. You can just walk out the door and hear nothing but the birds. It's one of the best feelings. So we're traversing Mount Paliparan, a longer route than we did 2 years ago. All around this municipality, you can find all sorts of trailhead, places to run, explore the wilderness. It's all mountainous terrain.
So these guys made a road, and we're the second people to hike this trail.
We sort of started a family here, a group of different sorts bonded by adventure. This is how we cope instead of destroying ourselves with certain vices. Now our advice is to help out the community by promoting their trails, giving insights on how to maintain the environment and develop social awareness, hoping that its land will be safe from different sorts of deforestation.
So just a side note on this trail. So the tour guide said we were the first people to hike this trail. As you can see there's no evidence that people pass here. And yeah, all those branches were in our way. So that's one sign that we were the first.
Usually sa mga ganyan, mga snakes. Mga explore pa yung mga bago. This is snakes under the holes and rocks.
Then we will avoid those holes and rocks.
We've been snake hunting. Well, we saw one by accident. We didn't film it because it was too sketchy. It requires you to go through in between rocks. And I saw a hole like this. There was a green snake, a rat snake. It's neon green, it's beautiful, but we didn't get a chance to shoot it because it was too damn scary. We'll see. We're still early. We're hiking for 2.5 hours now, and still a long way to go. We're not even halfway yet. Probably like 25%. Let's see. Everything's slower because everything's so rough. See, no trail yet. Oh well, we're still establishing the trail. So they just cut. We have fresh twigs. So it's hard to navigate. So if you get left behind, it's hard to track the trail because it just looks like the ones beside it. All dead bamboo leaves. Got it. This one, gents, you need to see.
And those little ones also.
You see this leaf? That's a poison ivy. That's something you don't want to touch. Hey, Kuya entering the cave. Here we are, we're stuck. We don't know how to get out. Nano doing some splits. It's the only way you can get through this section is to do some splits and crawls and...
I think I tore my shorts on my pants.
You tore it?
I think. I hope not though.
Yeah, Kuya just made it more appealing because there's really a way there, here on the side. So your stomach, oh. There, see, there's oh, see, there's everyone. But we had more fun.
Yeah, that was a good section.
We had more fun. Right, so you see here, snails. The locals eat this.
Why are there snails here?
There are snails in the mountains, dude.
There are?
You also have crabs, rats, and snakes.
Crabs!
Yep, you have mountain crabs. So what do you think of this hike, Nano? You enjoying this kind of hike?
It's fun, dude. It's fun.
Yeah,
I
because
miss this actually.
yeah, it's just between you and nature. There's no one else, and
No other people.
no other people. It's no crowd. Everything's fresh. You can still see wildlife. That's the beauty of
You
it.
don't see signs or handle rails.
That's true. That's true. More rocks. Ah, this makes it all so technical. See Kuya there?
Sa tulong ng mga turista, yun, nagkaroon kami ng hanap buhay. Dati po, nag-uuling po ako. Yun ang aming kinabubuhay dito. So ngayon nung magkaroon ng mga turista, yun, hindi na kami nag-uuling. Nag-guide na lang po kami.
Check that out. We're trying to fit in this small space. Who would have thought that would be the trail? It's pretty wild. There. Class A trail. Class A.
So, how do you like our tree?
No trail at all. It's just tumbled plants. So it's like someone fell and rolled over it.
So,
Yeah, so we're leveling up. Oops. See, there are many sections like this. There's a hole, you jump from one rock to another, or you fall with sharp walls. Woo, life. That's the tricky part. You don't have anything to hold on to, and there's a gap. You can fall. There's a hole there you can see. Woo, sketchy.
Tay. Lala ko yan.
Too bad. A few moments ago we saw a snake and Nano jumped.
This long.
And this guy shouted.
Dude, I'm gonna.
But it was a pretty long one. It's a long one.
huge.
It's brown. It was
Almost
fast.
gave me a heart attack, bro.
Went to the water and then went to the other side. What made it scary is it was just 2 inches away from
Yeah,
us.
it went through us, through our
It
legs.
actually, yeah, it slithered through between their legs.
Hindi na pagod ako.
And he
May alive
shouted.
na ako.
Now adrenaline's up, energy's up.
Dude.
We're already quiet, not talking to each other now.
Ito's a yellow snake, no?
Yeah, yellow brownish. Yeah. It was beautiful though. But that completes her day.
Yes, definitely.
Across one falls, now we're discussing whether we should go for the second falls, the big falls. The thing is, we have to trek the actual falls and you'll get wet. And we can't get wet because of our gadget, so we'll probably put it in a plastic bag and try to go up, but it's gonna be a heavier pack for us. Good luck! Good luck! Good luck!
Came this far and we're not turning back, bro.
Weren't you the one who was backing out earlier?
When you come to this town, you just see it's very inviting. A place where people look out on each other. You can't put a price tag on that.